Can constipation cause? Yes, constipation can trigger back pain. Usually this pain subsides as soon as the person gets rid of constipation. But there are many reasons which can cause back pain and constipation at the same time. According to research, constipation and back pain are associated with each other as they normally occur at the same time. Improper food habits, inadequate intake of fiber, dehydration, overconsumption of dairy products, medical conditions like stress, hypothyroidism, and excessive use of medication like laxatives, antacids, etc., are factors that may alter a healthy bowel movement. Usually, people suffering from constipation and backache tend to treat the pain with the painkiller and other medication, which can further worsen constipation and may lead to medical emergency. Backache may vanish once constipation is resolved. The link between constipation and back pain. Constipation is a condition where a person faces difficulty in eliminating stools from the body. Due to scarcity of water or other physiological problems, feces get blocked in the lower intestine or colon. The stool become hard and dry, blocking the colon, which may exert pressure on the walls of the lower intestine and adjoining areas. Due to blockage, the waste is unable to get expelled from the body. This condition can worsen in case there is accumulation of fecal matter in the large intestine and rectum. This fecal impaction affects the muscles and nerves in the adjoining area, which triggers back pain. This may radiate towards other parts of the body, leading to chest or abdominal pain. The other reason behind back pain is when an individual gets bowel movement, he tries to pass the hard and dry stool, which results in strained back muscles. These strained muscles can cause lower back and abdominal pain. Constipation can also be a cause of bladder pain, as it also exerts pressure on the bladder. During pregnancy, infrequent bowel movements and an increased uterus may put pressure on the rectum, leading to constipation and backache. This is because of the hormonal changes the body undergoes during pregnancy, and hence it is considered a common health problems during this period. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to get more tips.